Good morning. We are talking about the Ethics and Accountability in Government Act by Governor Hogan. I fully support that bill. Like I said earlier, I'm going to different Starbucks because it's like we're doing open mic night. And I do social media for social change. Today I am in Jessup, Maryland. Yeah, that's Jessup, Maryland Correctional Facilities over there. Alright, over the horizon. And I also told we're going to play Fine Waldo. See the significance of a toilet. If we locked up, when we locked up, we got to share that toilet. You feel me? When we locked up, we got to share that toilet. A lot of guards come here to get their coffee after they get off shift. They get the coffee before they go to shift. Because Starbucks is convenient. Like I said, when you go to jail, you got to share that toilet with an inmate. You got to sell it with your cellmate. Wash your socks, keep out. Yeah, it does a lot of things that you don't do with your toilet. Talking about the 13th Amendment and the laws y'all write to incarcerate us behind the illegal war on drugs. It's a time to pee. Shit or get off the pot. Those is Jackie Chan's. Like I said, we talking about ethics and accountability. Alright? Your ethics and your accountability. Well, we're going to start showing how long, who knew what, and when. Because that's what you're asking for. Bribery and public officials. And then it's just bribery, it's payoffs. It's to play political machine that y'all got created. Since y'all talking about it, let's talk about Thoreau. Let's talk about Governor O'Malley. And let's talk about Governor Hogan. Because you make a lot of money off the prison industry. You make a lot of money off the vendors that go to the prison industry. You the governor. You make a lot of money in a lot of different ways, Gov. Like I said, if Martin was here, what would he do? He'd fight for prisoners. He'd fight to end the war on drugs. If Martin was here, what would he do? Well, I really don't know. But I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to ask for his job. Matter of fact, I'm going to do his job. That's Johnny Oleski. Like I said, that's Johnny Oleski. So I'm asking Governor Hogan to write the same letter that Governor O'Malley, that Johnny Oleski wrote. I'm asking Mr. Clippinger, Delegate Clippinger, Senator Will Smith, to give me access to the grand jury in 2020. That's all I want. I don't want no new laws. I don't want to override no vetoes. I don't want to ban the box. I want to access the grand jury, and I want the right to testify in front of the grand jury to retrieve my property that was stolen from me. It's perfectly legal. Like I said, I'm a prisoner's right advocate. I fight for inmates. I can't go in the justice facility. I'm banned because y'all got me on the terrorist watch list. I can't go into a lot of places because of this terrorist charge that you charged me with. That goes back to your ethics with Scott Shellenberger. We're talking about Jim Crow justice. We're not just going to go after when we go after the judges, we're going to get after the lawyers and the lawmakers. Yeah. We're going to go after your 401ks, your pensions, your surety bonds, because you got a lot of money that's tied to the Alabama prison industry and the Mississippi prison industry. Yeah. And we're going to talk about your ethics, because when you know something, you're supposed to act on the knowledge that you got. You're lawyers, you're elected officials, you took an oath of office. So follow Johnny Oleski's lead. Give me access to the grand jury and get the federal government involved in my kidnapping, because I was kidnapped by the state. I'm a veteran, dog, and I know how to fight. I'm a veteran, and Starbucks and me is going to partner up. I'm a veteran, an honorably discharged veteran. I served my country, and my country did a disservice to me. You feel me? Governor Hogan know me. Ask Governor Hogan if he know Shorty. See that? Shorty Davis. Governor Hogan know me. He know me very well. Can't say that he don't. He been knowing me since 2014, and we're going to go after your money in the 2020 elections. We're going to talk about the money that y'all invest in the prison industry and the money y'all make off of prisoners and inmates. Yeah. How much money does China make off of black inmates in Baltimore City, Baltimore County detention centers? Because everybody got to wear these. Yeah, we're going to talk about the product and product merchandising. Yeah, we're gonna talk about the politicians that write the laws to lock up Black Baltimore. Cause like I said, I was making a movie. I was kidnapped by the state and sent to the prison. I was sent to the farm. We traded the plantation for the penitentiary, cotton for cocaine, and we still a cash crop. That's Jessup Correctional Facility. This is Lake County Correctional Facility. It don't matter what jail you in, they doing the same thing in any jail that you in. You feel me? They doing the same thing. But I went to the federal court because you have federal violations. And we talking about ethics and accountability. Well, this is part of your ethics and accountability. All right? Your ethics and your accountability. Ethics and accountability. Governor Hogan, you wrote the law, Governor Hogan, and you got this. Senator Zirkin got it. Valario had it. Now Zirkin ain't here no more. Zirkin ain't here no more. Clippinger is. Valario ain't here no more. Smith is. House, Senate, your judiciary. So we're talking about your ethics and your accountability. You wrote the laws. We're going to hold you to your laws. Ethics and accountability. Ethics and accountability. See that 2009. Ed Norris, Bush, that's Brant Bridges, Josh Davis from the Hearst Company, Branch, yeah, Bobby Zirkin. Ethics and accountability. Yeah. Yeah. Y'all ready for this? Ethics and accountability. These are your laws, you know what I'm saying? I'm just playing the game that I'm playing the hand that y'all dealt me. Alright, false imprisonment, police brutality, judicial fraud, prisoner's right advocate, follow up to a federal investigation about the abuses of power by public officials. Yeah, that's what you asking for, you're in your accountability act. That's Elijah Cummings' office. You feel me? Courts. Ain't no law against making a movie. And you playing right into my screenplay. Yeah. Like I said, I'm looking for a new way in life. I'm gonna make movies for the rest of my life. I'm gonna be a griot, a storyteller. Camera, lights, camera, action. See that? 1402 Lochner. See that? Judge Boris, Governor O'Malley, Governor Quinn, Judge Bell, Mr. Snowden, Attorney General, Civil Rights Division. We're making it about your ethics and your accountability. A movie about being black in America. And there you go. Movie. YouTube, notarized 2010. You feel me? Notarized 2010. Governor O'Malley. Get Shorty. You got more Shorty you can stand. Jessup Correctional Facilities. Alright? It's right over there. This for my brothers locked up in the Bing, dog. I'm fighting for you. You know, this ain't my fight, this our struggle. Social justice for social change. Find Waldo? No, find Shorty. Better read your Constitution and read Article, the 13th Amendment. Slave labor in America, 2020. Ain't nothing changed. 400 years of slavery, and this the shit we got. And you voted for it. Find Waldo? No, find Shorty. And I ain't gonna be hard to find. I'm gonna be shitting on y'all 2020 all the time.